Good morning, ES. How are we? Morning, Raven. Doing good. Enjoying the weather. Yeah, I heard it's supposed to be hot today, like mid 80s or something like that. At least over here. I don't know if I like the heat, but I guess it's not terrible. I used to hate it more when I was working. Whoa, we are live. Oops. Drag this over. Check my Robin Hood accounts. Are we actually going up for once? Are we? Have we been going down lately? I feel like we've been going up. Yeah, is this not going up? Oh, market open. Okay, I was gonna say I feel like we've been going up. Might have spoke too soon. I think I'm going to start being a little more aggressive. Me and Johnny were talking about this yesterday. Of just like we're just waiting for the same exact thing to happen every day and not really taking stuff into context. And it's just like limiting our ability to take trades. It's like we fucking barely trade at this point. So I think the only way is to use context and uh, like I'm still gonna be like I'm only gonna lose like two trades a day or risk one or win one trade or whatever. Pretty much like, but I don't know. I can't just sit here forever and not take a trade.
Yeah. And it's like Pat posted a story about one of his tweets to someone, and they were like, "This is just big time gambling," and he's like, "Not when you know where the market's going." And I just feel like that's so true. It's just like he knows where it's going, and he doesn't have a strict setup or anything like that. He's just like, if it breaks this point, I'm buying it, and I hope it goes to this point, and then he just makes fucking thousands of dollars, and it's just like,
Yeah, like, and I always knew this would happen anyways. Like you get looser with stuff, but I just
loser.
looser. Yeah. but I think it's the easiest way to get some payouts and to do it in the beginning is just to have like a really strict set of rules that you can follow, and then like I think that helps you from now when even though I think I might be a little bit looser with it, I still have like good discipline and stuff, so I know I'm not just gonna take a random bullshit trade. Yeah, I know some people that trade this way. Yeah.
Because it's just the past like I feel like we saw our setup once, at least once a day for months. So like you could always had a setup to trade. I just feel like lately, like the past like 3 months, I've taken like one trade a week.
Yeah. It's like we've literally just been spectators in the market since like end of March. I feel like 30 minutes after market open is way easier to trade when it just goes in one direction. I just feel like it hasn't been going in one direction. Honestly, I might long this. A nice flag on that. I still think we have higher to go. Kind of already took out lows. Or this morning, or like pre-market. ES, just like bouncing off the VWAP. Nvidia's going up. Let's see what happens. I just play the range since the market doesn't want to make strong moves, yeah. Yeah, I think I was very one-dimensional. I don't think it's necessarily the right move.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We're in. grew a pair. Just trying to use some context here. For fuck's sakes.
Stop filled.
Shit. Sorry. That was bad timing. But well, wasn't going. I might be more likely to go break even because of that, but because I know that basically I don't know why these executions are on here. I basically know that if I'm green, it's basically right to green. I gave it like 3 minutes there, but how do I turn off these market executions?
It's I don't remember. It's gonna help you, but
Anybody? Does anybody know how to turn off market executions?
remember. Would you just close it early?
Yeah, I just got out break even just because I mean it didn't go for like three straight candles or whatever. And I'm like, all right, it's early.
So like I still don't want to like I want to play like the 15-minute opening ranges, so
Yeah.
I don't mind if I
I forget how to do it. Turn them off too. Oh, you can change these.
what?
Oh wait, I'm done. What was this? Gradient push. You can change your buy button color and sell button color.
I made mine black.
Mine are just like gradient fucking bush or whatever the fuck, whatever it was. Muted? I'm not muted. La 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 la. Yeah, I'm not muted. Okay, even if it got 80 ticks, I was right back to break even. Where the fuck is executions? Alright, looking it up. I'm looking it up. Holy fuck. Thank you. All that you wanted me.
trade would have worked out well for you if you held it.
I mean, I went to 80 ticks and then went back to break even, anyways. But it still wouldn't have hit me on 120. Dick. And you jinxed it. See what happened? God, coffee goes so quick, I swear.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know how people savor it. I get it, I see it, and then I drink it till it's gone. ES pushed above the highs. was gonna happen, honestly. It's like, oh, we're breaking up, but I was like, we're in like, we're like just chopping up. I figured we'd have a fucking giant trap down below. If we Jesus, I don't know, but if we redo this entire candle, it'd be nuts. Might have just put in the top wick on the 15 minute. We might be going lower all the way down to the bottom of the 15 minute range then. This doesn't look bad. least Apple keeps dropping. Makes me happy.
But,
Yeah, I got in yesterday. I am up in it 41%.
we honestly break this.
I want a short, but I don't know. ES is looking pretty strong. Or are you saying break to the upside?
No, I'd be looking for short. I may try this if it like honestly that wick that it just hit. It's like my line.
Yeah, I have a line there too for a short. It's just ES doesn't look as weak. But Nvidia's pushing down. So it's gonna go. Did you get in?
Yeah, I got a terrible fill on that thing. Well, I got trapped.
Yeah, ES looked too strong for my likings. was about to buy that. Fuck. Fuck.
Rip.
Ah, your mother. Your mother. Your mother. It looked nice on the ES. It started flagging well. There was a flag on Q. I mean, it was below the 1 minute EMA, but on ES it wasn't, and then it started ripping.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, we're gonna go, and then I couldn't get there in time.
I thought we were gonna push back down to the bottom of the. I don't know how much drawdown I have left, but I didn't blow my account, so it's probably very little.
Yeah. I'm in queue. Maybe I'll check in later. If not, see you lads. Okay. Peace out. Good luck.
Did you get in something?
No, I got no alert.
No.
Let
What
me
was that
see.
thing?
Oh, I thought that was gonna push back a little bit before it went higher, but it's not. Ugh.
Got good upside potential though.
What's that?
We have good like upside potential because
What to keep going?
yeah, like 9 o'clock yesterday. We got some like 9, 11 o'clock yesterday. Do still got quite the think we could go back up to the 22,000s. This wants to come down, bounce off the EMA and the top of the 15-minute opening range. I wouldn't hate it.
FPS is fucking pumping straight up here.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. It just hit this
Nasdaq
pivot
looks
point.
like it's getting held up right on. This is right at my pivot point, like level.
Yeah. We're at 928.
Mine's not, or 926. Down to the 50 minute. Not a lot of people in your chat today.
No, I don't. I don't know. I'm not even paying attention right now. God, I just know when I go back, like, you can see the shit happen. It's just so hard to discern. Like, I don't know. It's like I guarantee you're gonna look back and Pat's gonna have taken the fucking long at 10:07 probably, and he probably took that long at 10:12 and rode it up to the pivot point. If I had to guess, like.
Yep.
It's like I can see it, but I just can't. I don't know.
Next like level that we go to is probably 60 if we go higher.
He's getting held up at the pivot point. Video looks like it might go higher. I soft off no trades for me today. How about you, my man? I took one this morning. On this long, I ended up getting no break even. I got in like here, and then chopped around for a little while. No break even.
Order filled.
Let's push this through. Waiting for this to break the high though. I want to get in at like 25.
Maybe I jumped the gun. We'll see. I don't know. Video is breaking the highs. ES is looking good. Apple's climbing higher. Thought we were gonna go right there.
I'm playing it on the little safer side right now. waiting for a bigger push. Bigger confirmation. Yes, also still hasn't broken their highs either. We go right here then.
Hope so.
See how it
You
goes.
guys getting the
Oh,
pop. Think you're getting the pop. Trying to get through this pivot. See what happens. Hello, Raven. I also just watched that vid you put out yesterday, Fire Perspective. Thank you. Yeah, I feel like I don't see a lot of people talk about that. Every person, for the most part, is just like, oh, get your mental down and you'll be good. And it's like, well, I have followed my rules for fucking 6 months straight, or probably even longer. And it's like, yeah, I got some payouts, but not nearly as much profitability as I could have. Not could have had, but like, not enough to be a profitable trader. Like, what happens? We get held up at that pivot. Exactly. Like, people have a hard enough time managing their emotions, but I think that's just the first big hurdle. And then you can try to figure out how the fuck to actually
hate this candle.
get the market to
when
move.
this opens.
I also, did you watch? You definitely didn't, but I was watching the podcast with like the three like biggest traders or whatever.
You're talking about
Yeah, and they were talking about like the VIX, and like when the VIX is low, they'll like put on more size or less size. And I was
Stop
like, oh,
there.
I never even thought about that. I'm stopped up.
Yep.
Got the initial
Ugh.
pop. Just didn't want to go. And I was like, oh, I wonder if I should be going for like a 1-to-1 or like 80 ticks when the VIX is lower. And then
You just have to bounce off the EMA.
when the VIX is higher. So it's high, they put on more or less. Well, yeah, like, or just like, they were talking about like, oh, if it's the VIX is low, like I'm more quickly to trail and take profits because it's just like a lower range and every like volatility is just lower, so it's harder to get to your target and like. I mean, realistically, that would have saved us yesterday. But it's like, I mean, the VIX is low right now. Like, it's not even in the 20s. I mean, I guess a lot of times it's really not, but well, that's how a lot of the time it is. So
Like, what's VIX? What
VIX is like volatility index.
Oh.
So it's just like a thing based on the volatility. Done 660 today. That's no bueno.
We just get trapped. Let's just have to come back, bounce off the EMA, and then go.
Certainly looks like it. ES is ripping higher. Good morning, FFs.
Well, let's see if I can keep the rest of my accounts. I'm at the point where I'm just like, okay, if I have to restart, it is what it is.
Yeah.
It's almost better for me anyway. Oh, I thought it was gonna go right there.
Hold up with that pivot real well.
I got in at a decent. I'm in at 22, so we'll see if it can hold up right here. Need to break this high, break this pivot point. Yes, it's trying to push. Yes, just broke the highs.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop
Not
filled.
good.
Yeah. most of my accounts.
This is thinking hold and push up right here. Yes, it's starting to go. Is that the last strap? Hopefully. That thing just edged you.
Yeah, well, not before taking out 9 of my accounts, so I don't know if
Oh,
it really
did it?
matters.
It's gotta go right here now, right? It's trapped twice.
Sorry, baby.
Did you try that trade, Raven? What was your trade?
I'll try it again tomorrow. Don't know what's been going on with me lately. I don't know. I feel
This
the
thing
same
won't
thing.
go.
I just feel like I'm in a fucking lull and a half.
Oh, I'm way.
Yeah, she said she's done like 660 today.
This thing won't go. God, I've been in this trade for 8 minutes. Is this the end?
It's okay. The rest of the day, I'll beat the Lulu and think I'm up 600. Ugh. I guess that's one way. I think this is the end here.
Yeah, this is the end. Too much resistance. God, this trade is teasing me. Yes, is getting a good push.
Nvidia's at highs. See if NQ can make highs.
Yeah, she's got a really good pump. Come on. You knew how long we were consolidating. It was gonna be a big push, something
Yeah.
out of it.
This is the part, like, I feel like vol volume so low. Like, that's my 80 ticks. It's like, I'm gonna go break even, and I mean, I hope it doesn't fucking turn all the way around, but we'll see. What's up, trader back test? There's blue. Some accounts. Feels bad.
On Nasdaq.
I like know how this is gonna go. It's gonna come. It broke the range. It's gonna come back, retest, and then it's gonna go.
On 2 daily loss and 2 challenges today, buying another. Why don't you just take a break? Hit the daily loss limit on 2 of them.
Yeah, might be
Hit
time
tomorrow.
to chill. Can you buy me one?
Yeah, I get risking full size, but like it's an eval. That's what most people do with evals, or at least that's what I do with evals too. I just risk full size, but you've hit it twice. You're not seeing it well.
No, I know this is gonna happen. I know. We're gonna come back. We're gonna touch a break even. We're gonna go. Can
Just
we
hold, like, I don't
can we
even care. Just
climb
hold this
higher?
range.
Can we just climb higher? Please, I beg you.
Yeah, nice push. Come on, just continue that push.
ES is making new highs. Nvidia's making new highs. And the Q. It's not feeling it.
It's trying. It's trying right here. Just broke the high.
There's no reason we can't go up and hit that.
It's not hitting any, like it's not hitting any levels. Just, it's just not making a new level, but yes, it's kind of falling.
This is what I'm talking about with the VIX, though.
NQ's holding up. here. Yes is falling down. Come on, have this be the push right here.
She's trying.
Yes doesn't want to go. God, can this thing just pump up like the 10 points I need? Holy shit. This is about to be a 20-minute trade for me, Mike.
Probably longer now. I feel like I've been in for fucking 20 minutes.
Oh, I got in at 27. 10:27.
Yeah.
Uh, 22. Like, I don't know if I can sit here and watch it hit 20 points over and over again.
That's what I'm talking about with the VIX
It's
today.
killing me.
Because the VIX realistically is pretty
Okay, here we
low.
go. Here we go. Here we go. No?
Nope, I'd rather break the high by a little bit, reverse, break the high, reverse, break the high, reverse, and then it's gonna fucking come down. Oh, my lord. That's a sick looking candle.
What is that candle? Yes, is pushing up.
Or, yes, we're just chopping. I mean, we're both just chopping.
It's trying. Like, yes is on the brink of a breakout.
Yeah, yes, looks like it might go right now.
See what it does in this next candle. Yep, yes is pushing through.
See? Nope, makes a high by 1 tick again and then fucking has to reverse. Come on.
Nah, this thing's gotta go.
I mean, what are we doing? What are we doing? Here we go. It's gonna do the same bullshit it did over here. It makes this like upwards, this fucking thing, and then we just go, whew, we're gonna do it. Anyways, let's see. We're
This thing
building
is
it up
edging
now.
so hard.
You already know a fucking big red fucking boner candle's coming down. You know it. You just hope it grinds up beforehand.
I don't care. I took that. I took my 20 points. I'm done. They can't be in. They can't. Shit. I may have gotten out too early, but I set my bracket for either 20 points or 30. Now this thing's gonna rip. 'Cause I'm a bitch. But what was my joke? What did I say?
Of edging so hard. My friend blew his account, bro.
I couldn't see it break the highs again and then just instantly fall.
Nvidia made new highs. With this method you have here, this method is called hold and watch it go break even. That's the method.
Like, what is that candle? What is that candle?
That's ES
It-
touching the EMA and Nvidia ripping higher.
If that doesn't hit you now,
Let's see a close here. Come on, close. No, it's gonna fill the wick. Are we really gonna do this? I just bought copying your take profits. Let's go, guys. Good luck. What are you doing? No, don't follow me. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. I'm just hoping it goes up. Ugh, God. Why would you do that? Why would you randomly come in here and immediately fucking take a trade? I hope you're lying.
I don't know. is gonna be a long one for you, Mike.
I don't know. It only takes a second for something random to happen. Fucking big candle, so we'll see.
Yeah, I know. Sure.
Could quickly stop me out or quickly hit my take profit. Who fucking knows?
Higher thighs. You were just confirmation. Why is he a confirmation? Like, why are we confirmation?
Yeah, let's
What do we
bold.
know more than anyone else? Because he has payouts. Is
Yeah.
that all it takes?
Yeah, I also have 9 blown accounts today or something like that. So I don't know how many actually, but I lost some accounts today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7 accounts today or something. So it's not hard to get payouts. Yeah. Oh yeah, that changes it. I mean, that's part of the game. Like, you can get payouts. I talk about this in the video I literally just made. It shows how bad everybody is at trading because you can get payouts just by following your rules. Doesn't even matter if you have an edge. Eventually, you get payouts. It's like if you can't get a payout at all, that just means you can't follow your rules. Because eventually, you'll go on win streaks and you'll get lucky and you'll get payouts.
Now I'm getting fear. Like, what is happening?
I don't know. I think you might just be trolling.
I hope so. But the sad thing is, people are.
Yeah.
Because honestly, it's like,
This is
with
why
that
you don't
push,
take random trades from other people though, because you don't have conviction in it because you don't.
you
Even
gotta
know
be
why.
trolling. And if
Yeah.
you're not trolling,
Yeah, then you're an idiot.
yeah, it's sad. Because I'm not gonna lie, this thing's not looking strong. Okay, he's trolling.
Yeah. Yeah, he's gotta be. Literally hits the 80 ticks again and reverses. Like, it's just. Oh, that's a good trade, good. I'm in, so it has to be. Oh, yeah, that's how it works.
Yes, is about to break the EMA. It's bouncing, like literally right on it and kind of through it. See how this goes for you. It's very choppy today. I'm like, why's your leg so white?
What did he say?
So why's your leg so white? Yeah.
You even see my
yeah.
leg? Because I'm fucking white.
Yeah, it's just dumped through the EMA. Applying to jobs right now.
I feel that, Raven. Italian, but I'm also French. I can get tan if I go in the sun. I just fucking don't go outside. And realistically, it hasn't even been nice to go outside.
Yesterday was nice.
Yesterday?
Yesterday was hot.
I don't remember.
French is a major L. Rip.
Maybe we get some random boner spike at 11. God. Massive boner spike at 11?
Seems like 11 just got a bunch of volume, so. Is that what you needed?
Can you zoom in as well on your face or get closer? Why?
Target filled.
Oh,
We did it!
there's a spike you needed.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Where'd that volume come in? Just 11 o'clock?
You want to see the blackheads? Well, listen, I got these. I don't really have much pimples. I think everybody has blackheads on their nose. Alright, Mikey, I need a split 50 profit. I was here for emotional support. That is true, Raven. See, why couldn't I have just done this fucking a half hour ago? Holy shit. But let's see, how many accounts did Mikey Boy blow? Let's see the damage for the day. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Could be worse.
Oh, actually, I don't even think I blew these ones. I think it just stopped me out on the copy trader on these two.
Well, you probably blew that one with $92 in it.
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. These three I probably blew, but these three, they probably just stopped me out on slippage on the copy trader. That's how you blow accounts, though, right, Johnny? It happens every time. It's a winning trade.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're fucking 100 for 100 on that. Told you I'm in a good trade. Easy. It's better about the hay deciding. This guy's gonna fucking beat off to my face. Honestly, I think I'm gonna take a break from streaming. I gotta figure out what to do with my fucking strategy. I swear.
Just streaming has to do with that.
I don't know. I honestly want to sit there and probably just watch Pat for a couple weeks or something, or at least a couple days. Just trying to get more like him, I guess, because I don't know. I feel like I'm fucking guessing. Yeah, the trade worked, but I mean, it fucking came within fucking 2 ticks of stopping me out. And then I'm just holding to some arbitrary level. I don't know. I feel like I got shit to change. Watch Max on Discord. He's better in my opinion. What's his name? I'll look him up, but I do like Pat. And like, I do trade whatever. Like, learn volume profile, your idea's not bad. Yeah, I don't know, but your entry's kind of dookie. I like to play the breakouts. I don't know. I just feel like I need some extra confirmation. Maybe I do need like some daily bias or some bias of some sort. I don't know. Sorry, like market goes up. Like, it's funny enough because it's like, let's see. Like, it's like, this is what I normally look for here, which is funny that we get the move right after. Like, yeah, Pat was caught using, demo a couple of times. Yeah, I know that, but he's also, like, shown
Isn't
proof
that
and stuff
anymore?
like that. Like, he is pretty legit now, honestly. He shows, like, broker statements, shows his stats on Trade Evade, he shows his, like, payouts getting wired into his bank account. He's on the top. He's literally the #1 trader on Tradeify Live. Like, he's definitely legit. I know, like, back then he used to be, which I know I'm not one to be like, well, he's never going to do it again or whatever, but I do believe him now. And normally I have a decent bullshit detector, so. What's traders realize on YouTube? These vector candles are some next level for understanding the market. I don't know. This is the problem. And who here is profitable? That's the thing. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, no offense, but it's like, I don't want to take everybody's advice, because like, if you take everybody's advice, everybody trades fucking different. So it's like, I trade more like Pat than everybody else. And it's like, even I bet I know what trades he took today. He probably took, like, they're trades I look at, obviously, because they're flags. It's like, I wouldn't be surprised if he took this here. Because, like, realistically, this is what I look for a decent amount of time. I mean, it broke lower, but it's like 1 touch point, 2 touch point, and then we trap below, and then we push up through. And that, like, I didn't get in on, but that's an instant one. And it's like, and then that's the same thing with, like, this here. It's literally 1 touch point, 2 touch point, trap below, and go. Like, realistically, I could have got in here, and I wouldn't have had to sit through any fucking chop, because it would have been fucking instantly. And, like, that's exactly what I have been looking for, but these setups just haven't been showing up. And I'm sick of every single day a guy who trades so similar to me making money. And I sit there and I go, oh, no trades. We'll try again tomorrow. And then fucking 2.5 months have gone by. It's like, what the fuck am I doing? So it's like, I don't know. I something has to change. He knows where the market's going. He's not afraid to get in. He's fluent with his stops. He's fluent with his take profits. He's aiming for levels rather than like, it's like just an arbitrary thing. It's like, realistically, I don't know. Like, when I look and I can see, and I'm like, when we're like down here, and I'm like, there is no reason we don't get up to it. Like, this was my take profit level. It's like, there is no reason we don't get up to here. But so that's why I was okay holding it the whole time. But sometimes it's like, I'm just aiming for some random arbitrary level. I don't know. then with your discipline, you would kill it with his system, but you do that. That's true. Yeah, that's like I've developed. This is what I talked about. I don't know if you saw my video, but this is what I talked about in my video of just like I've developed the discipline and I can follow and like stay true to it. I think I need to find the edge now because like I followed my trip plan for like 6 months or even like over 6 months, and it's like, and I got some payouts, but it's like it's more just going on streaks and then you fall back into break even and shit. Hello, trade mate. Welcome. Long time no see, or except on comments. But what's going on? Just chatting a little bit before I get off, but I don't know. I'm going through the ringer right now. Trading's kicking me in the butt. But then I sit there and like, of course today, it's like if I don't take any trades, and I miss this and or whatever, this is break even. What did I take? This trade
got some action
stops me out. Yeah, this trade stops me out, but it's like, of course, like this is literally the trade I wait for. 1 touch point, 2 touch point, come up, come below, trap below. Like I take a trade, like of course the one day after so long. Now I only made $300 and I lost like 3 accounts and got stopped out in the other ones because of fucking, I mean, how close my stop was to getting hit. But it's like, on a regular day, I'm entering, I'm just going to delete this for now. I know where it was. It's like, on a regular day, this is my entry. It's 1 touch point, 2 touch point. That's what my plan has been for so I would have got in here on this break. And, I mean, unless I got absolutely fucking top filled. But, like, realistically, I'm, like, getting in, like, here. And I don't take the loss here. And that's my one trade win. Or this is my other one. Like, these are the setups I've been waiting for to happen. And, of course, like, you change. You're like, I'm going to be more dynamic. And then these are and instantly, the next day, it rewards, or, like, gives you a fucking old setup. Just hit 52.6K so I can get my first payout. Oh, congratulations. Yeah, you did stay true to that. You said you would not come back until you got a payout. But honestly, FFs, I don't know. Yeah, and trade man, I think I'm going to take a break from streaming and try to fucking figure some shit out. Like, I honestly am probably going to go back through tonight and just sit there and rewatch Pat's live streams and stuff and just see, like, especially, like, his like, because he gets on pretty early. I think he gets on at, like, 9. And he, like, does more of, like, a breakdown before he gets all fucking goofy and makes a bunch of money and just, like, tells everybody he's the best or whatever. But, I don't know. I think I'm going to go through and watch some of his things and just see, because, I don't know. I need something. But congratulations on getting your payout. That's exciting. What? So you can request 5? Is it on Apex? Are you requesting like 500? Yeah, we'll do it because that was my goal. So happy to be honest. Yeah, I mean, that's big. There's your proof of concept right there. That's what most people can't even get to, so. You can replicate it. Is Johnny gonna take over the stream now? Yep, it's all Johnny's.
Nope.
Do my daily dollar. Like, this is, like, because realistically, I still have the ability, like, I have the ability to hold my trades. I know I can, like, I don't have a lot of the problems that other people, I can hold my trades through all this fucking bullshit. I'm true to, like, oh, if I take 2 trades, I'm done, or, like, 2 losers, I'm done, and shit like that. I'm very good with that. It's literally just the strategy. And like I know flags work. I've seen Pat fucking make $800,000 in 3 months with it. Like I take the same like. Let me see. Honestly, let me go on Pat's stream and see what he takes today. I bet you.
His stream's over. I already went to go look.
Yeah, but I mean, you can probably. Can you?
I'm just saying he's not live right now.
I bet you. He took either this. He either took a pre-market snap here, because he had some idea that the market was gonna come down, or he had some idea that the market was gonna go up. So he probably took this fucking bull flag here. He either took this, or this, and then he was done and didn't do this. That's my guess. Or maybe he took this later. But like realistically, I feel like if he makes money early, he's done. And there was enough opportunities. So he either took this, or this. Let me see. Oh no, he's still live.
Oh, it said he was streaming.
Oh well, it says live stream offline, but it also says there's 24 people watching. I don't even know if I can go on it right now. Last Daily Dollar Chat, it's over for us. Do you think streaming's getting in the way? I'd stick to... No, streaming's not getting in the way, because, like, I don't get affected by... It's not like FF's just like, fucking buy it right now. I'm like, okay. Like, no, I don't care about that. It's just more of, like, learning. Like, I kind of want to sit in on Pat's stream, which I hate, because I hate the idea of, like, copy trading. And, like, I used to actually... When I was watching him in the beginning, when I first found him, I would, like, mute him during the whole time because I didn't want his influence. You know what I mean? Because I'm like, well, if he's doing it and I'm just taking his trades... And, like, that's not what I'm going to be doing now, but I just want to, like, listen in and hear kind of what the thing is. I've got this doing one-to-ones with about 75% win rate, not doing break-evens. That's really good. Like, that's what I used to think I had, though. I did one-to-ones, and I was like, oh, I have a 70% win rate or whatever. And then it just, like, went lower and lower and lower. And then I'm like, man, I feel like I'm just fucking break-even. And, like, I was barely taking trades. So it was like... Even if I was profitable, it's like barely came. So it's like, regardless, I need to change that. Because, like, you see these guys and they're taking trades every day and they're green every day. And, like, I know you don't have to be like everybody else, but, or not, they're not green every day, but, like, it's like I just have, like, weeks where I take, like, one trade, it's a loser. And then I'm like, okay, like, down on the week. Meanwhile, like, I watch the market go up and I'm looking for longs, but it just, like, didn't give me exactly what I wanted, so I don't get in. But I think you have to be somewhat more adaptable. I can't go on Pat's stream right now. I don't know why. Hello, Music Madness. Do you flags looking gold? I don't like this. I don't want to trade gold or anything. I swing trade gold if something comes up, but I mean, flags work anywhere. It's just you have to have like that's what they say. Everything works, but you just need more context. Like. Like, I've been trading NQ. I just want to stick with NQ. I know there's money to be made in NQ. I know I've traded it a lot. Like, I can make money from NQ. I can control myself during all the big fluctuations and the traps and the bullshit. I just need some context of when to get long here and when not to get long here. Because I'm like, sit there and I'm like, well, it's bouncing off the 15-minute range and we're doing this. But I'm like, also we're really far away. I'm like, the EMAs and stuff like that, and who's to say we don't have a fucking big pullback before we go up on a trap. And then a lot of times it's like, this is what happens. Like, by the time you get in, I mean, not today realistically, but it's like a lot of times it's like the only time you can get in, this is a bad example of getting trapped too, but like, I don't know, a lot of times it's like if you don't get the move down here, like, you get a move around 11, but it's just so much more likely to reverse, I feel like. Like, I didn't get my 120 tick. Like, technically it hit 80 ticks, but what I've got only works on gold and NQ, really. See, I disagree. Like, there's probably little tiny nuances, but a chart is a chart. Like, I do believe it probably would work on most things. That's exactly how the last blackjack should end. Just getting fucked. But it's like I had it right away. Like I'm like, oh, I want to see Lon, but it's like I don't know. I honestly want to change everything at this point, which is funny because I won today, but I blew some accounts, so I'm also down bad. But like, it's like I believe we were gonna go up, but it's like I just know Pat. Like he would sit there and be like, okay, like he'll just grab 15 points. Like he's so loosey goosey with it. I feel like everyone tries to be so rigid, and it just like it makes his stats harder to work. But when like you're just so dynamic like he is, it just makes it so much better. Because I'm like, oh well, it's chopping around. It's not gonna get like, and then I'm like it hit my 80 ticks, but it's like choppy. But like Pat would probably be like, oh well, it's chopping, and this is the thing. I'll just get out here, and then he can just re-enter, and then he probably fucking re-enters on this. It rips up, and rips up, and rips up, and he probably fucking waits to the pivot point, and ends up catching a 50-point play. Like, I don't know, but I just think I got some work to do, and I kind of want to watch him, so. Honestly, that's the reason. But that's it. I'll still make videos, and I don't know. We'll see how long it takes for me to come back. But I'm just gonna take a break. So, but peace out. Good luck. Congratulations, trade mate.